One of the new features in the University edition of Visible Analyst 2009 is the Assignments tool. This feature allows instructors to easily set up courses and assignments where Visible Analyst is used in an educational setting. Every system manager can create their own list of courses and assignments and then add students to those assignments. When a user submits an assignment, the instructor can easily view the student's work and then assign a score. To get started, click on the Tools menu and then choose the Assignments option. A window will appear and a list of courses that have been created by the current user will be displayed. Now note that each system manager can create their own set of courses and assignments. Only system managers can create courses. All others, that is project managers and users, can simply be assigned to courses. So let's drill down here and take a look at the Advanced Data Modeling course. If we right click, we can take a look at its properties and note that it has a name and a brief description. And again, if we click on one of the assignments, we note that it also has a name, a description, a date that the assignment is available for the student, the due date, and then the students that have been assigned to this particular assignment. So let's go ahead and create a new assignment for the Basic Data Modeling course. If we right click in the Assignments window and choose New Assignments, we'll give it a name and a brief description. We'll set the available date to today, and we'll give these students 2 weeks to complete the assignment. And we'll leave all the users that are in the system as part of this assignment. As you see, it's been added to the list of assignments now. We can take a look at the users and notice that nothing's been submitted yet. So let's take a look at an assignment where there has been work submitted by a user. And we note here that there are 2 users. One has been graded, indicated in green, and one is red, indicated has not been graded. Opening up the assignment, we notice that the project and diagram name have been set by the user, and then a score has been indicated by the instructor along with some comments. Alright, let's take a look at what the user sees. Okay, the first thing we'll note is that on the toolbar we have this icon indicating that there are assignments pending. If we double click on that, it'll bring up the assignment list. And we see we have this Basic Data Modeling course. Take a look at that. Okay, we have the information about the assignment. So let's go ahead and create a diagram to satisfy this requirement. So click on the New Diagram button. Take the defaults. And let's add an entity. Go ahead and add some attributes. Alright, now let's assign a primary key. We'll make name the primary key here. And save work. Exit. And now let's go in and submit this assignment. We'll open up the assignment and choose a project, which will be the default project we're currently using, and say Simple Entity Diagram, and go ahead and press OK. And now that assignment has been submitted to the professor. So now we'll go back to our other instance and take a look at lesson 2. And we notice that it's in red because it's been submitted but not yet graded. So let's open this up and see that the user has submitted a diagram for grading. Let's take a look at it by clicking the Open button. And we'll view the attributes. Alright, so the student did create an entity with three attributes. And let's go into the repository and take a look. Okay, everything looks good. So we'll go ahead and give it a grade. This, and the score field can be any combination of letters and numbers. Okay, and now it's been indicated in green, so we know that the assignment's been scored, and we can just wait for the submittal from the other students for this particular assignment. So that gives you a brief introduction to the assignments feature of Visible Analyst 2009. Thanks for listening.